Alright, YouTube, what is up? This is a special one coming from me and Allie at Dylan and Allie Speak the Truth. This is a how to cook and season ribeyes without any, and of course not on the grill, on a stove top. Give me a fork, baby. Oh, here's one right here. But this ain't been cooking long. We cut it back down to 5. When I started it up, I put it to 6 to get that sizzle going. But I'm gonna tell y'all what we use, how to use it, how long to use it, and how to cook your ribeyes. Y'all hear that sizzle? Yeah, we're at the seasoning our squash with lemon pepper. We'll season off. Update the mini steak. The last final mini steak is done for the children and ourselves. Look how beautiful that mother fudger turned out. And all that's left is the big kahuna, the big daddy. And it don't get much better than that, y'all. On a stove top, we're not even grilling, y'all. We're inside cooling it. And that's a fucking $20 steak right there, y'all. Don't get it twisted. That's a $20 steak. And now she's getting the water ready for her instant taters. We're cheating it this time, but a lot of times she does make homemade taters, so don't get it twisted. And when you got a thicker steak, hold this for me real quick, baby. When you get a chance, I'm gonna show them something. When you got a thicker steak like this, them thinner ones, I'm confident enough to know when they're done. Hold this and aim it at the food for me. First, bleeding just a little bit. I'll flip it a couple more times to cut it down so it'll get a little bit more heat through the middle. But that's about how I like my steak, guys. Medium rare, y'all. But all in all, that. Alright, I got it now. Thank you, baby. All in all, that steak is complete. Ooh, you had to zoom in like a motherfucker. All in all, that steak is done. It's succulent. So as you can see, in where I cut at, right? Oh, where I cut. It's kind of hard to see with the meat. Okay, right here, in there. There you go. You can see. It's best to actually do this right here, like you're right. You can see that's done as a gun with a full loaded clip. And as you see, our steak meat is done, and that's all you gotta do, guys. Quick, short, effective. Don't forget to cut your stoves off too. Use Del seasoning, ready by steaks, and then in the meantime, she's got our squash simmering. She had the mashed potatoes, and then boom, you got a dadgum dinner, guys. I'm gonna show you the end result at the end, guys.